What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So last week I showed you one of my favorite online banking services, which is SoFi Money. And today I want to look at the flip side of that coin and show you SoFi Invest, which is their investing platform. SoFi Invest is completely free and gives you access to some pretty fantastic features that I think really make this the best beginner investing platform on the market today. They're also currently offering $75 in free stocks when you open and fund an account with them. So if at any point in today's video you decide that you want to give this platform a try, then be sure to use the first link in the description to get your $75 for free. And even if you don't want to keep this as your main investing platform, you can always get your $75 for free since it literally takes 3 minutes and then cash out immediately and you just got a free 75 bucks. But I really do think you're going to see the great value and the reason that you want to stick with this platform. With that being said, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you do enjoy today's video, and let's jump right into it. So just like a lot of the other modern investing platforms, SoFi is completely free, but there are a number of features that really help it stand out from its competition. The commission-free model means you can buy and sell stocks and ETFs with absolutely no fees, but you also get access to some pretty fantastic features like fractional shares that competitors are just starting to roll out now, but SoFi has had this for years and has really flawlessly integrated it into their platform. Now, I've talked about fractional shares in my past videos, but it's an extremely important feature, especially if you are brand new to investing, since it allows you to buy assets based on how much money you have available rather than buying a certain number of shares. So let's say you only had $500 to invest. Well, you wouldn't be able to buy something like Amazon because one share of Amazon is currently $2,500 at the time of making this video. But with fractional shares, you would be able to purchase a small percentage of one share, meaning you could invest in Amazon and a lot of other companies that would otherwise be completely out of your reach. This allows you to diversify your investments perfectly and keeps you from putting all of your eggs in one basket, which is a great way to protect yourself if one stock does go down in price. However, even if you don't want to handpick your own individual stocks, you also have access to countless ETFs, which is an exchange trade fund, which is very similar to an index fund that we've talked about before. And you can purchase several different Vanguard ETFs, as well as SoFi's very own diversified selections. Now, if you really want a hands-off approach, they also have an automated investing feature that will really do all of the heavy lifting for you. You can simply click on the diversified portfolio section in the app and decide which level of risk is best for you, which ranges from conservative with more bonds to aggressive with more stocks. SoFi will then balance your portfolio properly between stocks and bonds in order to match the level of risk that you have selected. From there, you simply set up how much money you want to invest and how often, and your investing is then completely automated and you really don't have to think about it at all. And that is a great feature for someone who doesn't have the time or desire to handpick their own portfolio. Plus, not only will they invest your money for you, but they also have an auto rebalancing feature that will adjust your stock to bond ratio each quarter just to make sure that your money is always being invested how you want it to be. Under that same Discovery tab, you can also look at and buy cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and look at several different handpicked lists from SoFi members, individual stocks, dividend stocks, and many more. Their mobile platform really is one of the most well thought out and designed applications that gives you the important information you need without adding all of that confusing financial jargon. Plus, their desktop website is just as good and it doesn't feel like an afterthought like many of the desktop websites for fellow investing apps. From the homepage alone, you can also create your own watch list for stocks and ETFs and look at what stocks are currently trending. One of my favorite sections is the SoFi Learn tab, which gives you access to a number of helpful articles that can help you get started with your investing journey, since I know it can be really confusing when you're just beginning. Their extremely easy to use interface really is perfect for beginners, but there's also enough data and analysis tools to satisfy a more experienced investor. And the fact that this is all integrated with SoFi Money and their other services under one umbrella is honestly unmatched. If you did miss my video on SoFi Money, be sure to check that out, since this on its own is a fantastic online bank that allows you to spend your uninvested money on their debit card and earn a pretty decent interest rate. And when combined with the features of SoFi Invest, this really is the most comprehensive platform in my opinion. Okay, back to the investing platform. You can also search individual stocks, where you can obviously view the live chart and also get the most up-to-date news and information on that company, and of course buy it right from your phone if you wish to do so. Beyond the regular active and passive investing options, SoFi also offers the ability to invest in a retirement account under the same platform, which is again completely free to use. I know there are lots of other competitors that offer these various features, but at the moment I have not found one company that offers all of these features under one umbrella for absolutely free, and it really is surprising that SoFi is not as popular as some of the other options like Robinhood or Webull. Perhaps the most jaw-dropping feature of all of this is the ability to talk to a real financial advisor for absolutely free. And this isn't some sort of automated computer just sending you a random report on your investments every single month. I mean, you can actually call a real person and talk to them about your investing goals and get live feedback on what plan is best for you and your goals. A real financial advisor usually costs hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in management fees, and while this may not be the most personal one-on-one relationship, it's still pretty amazing that you can talk to an actual person and get certified financial advice for absolutely free. They have countless financial plans depending on what goal you are trying to achieve, whether that be saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or just getting started with a simple basic investing plan. So outside of the amazing investing features, keeping tabs on your overall financial health is also extremely important if you're going to reach your long-term goals. Well, next to the investing tab on the app, SoFi has their relay section, which is a lot like Mint, and allows you to keep track of all of your spending habits and track your credit score as well. Having a great investing platform is really important, but knowing that a company understands the big picture of your finances is even more important in my opinion, since saving and spending is just as important as your investing. And as if all of that wasn't enough, as a SoFi member, you will also qualify for lower interest rates on a number of SoFi loan services, meaning you may be able to refinance your student loans or mortgage at a lower rate just for being a SoFi member. Now, the borrowing section of the app is not the scope of today's video, but this is just another cherry on top since you do get this benefit just by being a SoFi member. Okay, so I know all of this sounds a little sales pitchy and maybe a little too good to be true, but I promise I am not affiliated with SoFi in any way, and I'm not being paid to make this video. I just genuinely think that this is easily the most comprehensive banking and investing platform, and it has really helped me reach a lot of my own financial goals, and I really think it can do the same for you because it really is miles ahead of the competition. Popular platforms like Robinhood and Webull are great, but Robinhood just started rolling out fractional shares and currently has a wait list in order to access this feature, and neither of those apps offer a way to track your spending and financial health, along with the ability to invest like SoFi does. I've also heard others argue that Acorns is easier to use, and while Acorns does offer a similar automated investing feature, they do not give you the option to select your own assets and look at stocks yourself, while SoFi both has the automated feature and lets you handpick your own investments if you do want to do that. Plus, in order to access the full features on Acorns, it's $3 a month, and while that isn't a lot of money, SoFi is absolutely free and is just a better platform in my opinion. Now, if you've watched even a handful of finance videos here on YouTube, then you've probably heard a YouTuber give the pitch of get your 2 free stocks from Webull down in the description below, since they're the ones that offer that $1,400 stock, supposedly. And by the way, if you do want to get 2 free stocks from Webull, link in the description. And you usually end up getting a stock around $12, which is great, but SoFi wanted to do better, and currently they will give you $75 in stocks guaranteed for absolutely free just for opening an account and funding it with $1,000. So if you want $75 of Amazon or $75 of Disney or even $75 of a diversified ETF, then you can pick that and get that for absolutely free when you fund your account. So even if you don't want to use SoFi as your main investing platform, you can put $1,000 in there, get your $75 and sell that stock immediately and cash out of the account, and you just got $75 for free, and it literally took you 3 minutes of work. Plus, on top of that, if you do see the big picture of how awesome this comprehensive platform is, you can also get another $25 for opening a SoFi Money account. So just by having a SoFi Invest and SoFi Money account, you can literally get $100 for free, and it literally takes 5 minutes or less. Not to mention, you also get access to the best online banking and investing platforms at absolutely no cost. These promotions are constantly changing, and they might be offering even more money right now, but regardless, it's free money. So if you do want to check out either of these offers or both of these offers, then be sure to use the links for SoFi in the description to get your free money, because who doesn't love free money? Now, while I do absolutely love this platform and I'm simply just a happy customer, I totally understand understand that everyone has different financial goals and different needs. So let me know what platform you love and what features you love about that down in the comment section below. Earlier this week, we looked at 5 of the best applications for investing, and while SoFi was on that list, it just goes to show that there are so many options for you to choose from. So if you don't see any value in this platform, then that's totally okay, and I understand. And let me know what your financial goals are and what platform you are using to achieve them. And if you do decide to get SoFi using the links in the description, then be sure to let me know as well in the comments, because I'd love to know if you see the benefit from this platform. Thank you so much for your time. I seriously do appreciate it so much. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. And of course, take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.